positive vibes only.
Now my team on brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, trying to cuff a bad bitch. All this light skin short.
Welcome back to another unboxing video, guys. Welcome to the channel if you're new. If you don't know, I'm Sacai. I love to put up videos like this that are authentic, real-time first looks. So we're gonna go ahead and open up another box today, and I'm gassed for these because these are the Nike Sacai Undercover LD waffles that have just dropped. I think they released 3 pairs, and if you've been following the crepe scene, which if you're on my video, I'm assuming that you do, there has been a lot of hype around these waffles, the clots. There's been a mad colorways coming out. Me personally, I can't lie, I passed on all of them. They just have not been a shoe that interests me at all, and that was until they released these 3 new ones, and they had one colorway in particular which I'm dubbing as the Wu-Tangs, and I was like, I need those. So I got them. I was blessed by the sneaker gods. I caught them, obviously not by Nike. I still got a hard L on Nike, but I did manage to get a pair, so we're gonna go ahead and open them up. If you're new to this channel and don't know, your first look is always gonna be my first look. It's real authentic on here. I have not even taken a peep inside. But before we go ahead and get into this, if you've seen some of my other videos, or if this is your first one and you're enjoying it, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like, a comment, maybe even subscribing, because it most definitely helps. And also, side note, I know in my last video that actually hasn't even gone up yet, I did talk about getting to 200 subs, and we've actually surpassed that now, so thank you so much for everyone who has subbed already. I did say I was doing a Q&A at 200, and that is coming. So if you do have a question, shoe related, not shoe related, don't forget to also drop that below. So as I go ahead and open this up, I'm just going to say that I got these from Selfridges. They were actually the last raffle that I entered in just hope for copping these. And I actually went in for a 4.5, which I normally really don't do. But if you've been on this channel a while, you know my feet don't make mathematical sense.
What?
But they did say that these were in EU 38 on the drop-down box. So either Selfridges have done me dirty, or these are going to fit nice. Little Selfridges, you know what I mean? Okay, well, hopefully I won't be returning this. Nice shiny box. Okay, Selfridges have done me dirty because they're not a 38. They lied to me. On the drop-down box, it said they were a 38, and I thought that can't be right. Little sneaky sneaks. So if we try and move past that depressing fact and still hope that they fit. I've heard they have a little bit of room in these, though. My friend did say that half a size shouldn't matter that much because he's got a pair, but we'll see. But let's get into the box. So the box doesn't have too much on the design front, but it is nice. It's quite glossy. On the front, we've got it's a pull front with all your sizing information, unless you know websites tell you otherwise. It's all there. We've got this glossy kind of Nike on the front, which I don't know if you can actually see it. It's kind of like, it's the same color. It's a bit mad. And then we just have this little like Nike swoosh detailing around it. Nothing really too much to chat about, but it's a nice little box. I swear to God, if these don't fit, I'm gonna go to Selfridges and fight, man. Okay. Oh, okay. I haven't even got into the box yet, and we've already got spare laces. And these are mad. I don't normally go into the spare laces straight away. I normally wait until I'm talking about the laces. But these are mad. This kind of got like a black rope vibe. Real mad, real skinny. Just, yeah, the black ends and everything. And then these, it's like a ribbon. This looks a bit girly for me, if I'm honest. I probably wouldn't rock these, but yeah, like white ribbon with some like gold ends on it. Mad. Tissue paper is looking super bougie, super nice. It's black with the undercover. I'm guessing this is dude's name. I'm not actually gonna try and pronounce it because that's not gonna happen. But yeah, just nice little touches in there. Please fit, please fit, please fit. Okay, so I actually have seen this on other videos that each crepe actually also comes individually wrapped. It just feels really premium, like they have put a lot of effort into this. Here's the moment of truth. I'm trying to assess the size situation. They don't look, I think it might work. We'll get to that though. These are nice. So here we are. And these are a nice little vibe. Honestly, this sticker's coming off of this, but I feel like this is the best colorway. Obviously, I think it's the best colorway because it's the only one I've actually gone after. But the colors are hitting. You can see we've got a multitude of colors going on here. We start off with this black nylon base, And then we also have like a dark grey and a more lighter grey. We have this white, which they're dubbing as sail. I mean, I get it, it's not pearly white, but to me it's still not really sail. And then we have this yellow, which I think they're dubbing as a bright citron. But overall, I really like it. I feel like, I don't know, it's like I said, it's just hitting, like, it's just hitting the mark for me. So as previously stated, we do have this black nylon base that just runs around the whole crepe itself. We've then got this two-tone tick, one in a kind of light grey, which is more of a suede, and then on the top we've got this citron yellow, which is more of the leather. If you know these crepes, the two-tone theme runs kind of without. We've got, you know, doubled up laces, doubled up tongues, doubled up tick. Everything is just double. So if you want to stay on the theme of doubling up, let's get into it. Let's go into the tags. They're kind of like sewn onto each other, but the one behind is this more white sail color with a Nike tag with the undercover branding on it. Then the one in front, we've got just a Nike sportswear, and that's in the black. Again, both in this kind of nylon fabric. Moving on further down, we then have, again, double up eye stays with the dark grey and the light grey, again with the leather and the more suede. We also have these doubled up laces, which I personally love about this shoe. I think it just adds so much character to it. I have heard though that A, they're a pain to kind of lace up if you want to replace them, switch one out or whatever. And also B, I think it does take a good minute for you to unlace them to actually get them on your feet. So I wouldn't really pack these if you're somewhere where you're not supposed to be and need a quick dash, because it is going to take you a couple of minutes to get these on. More doubling up, we then have layered mud guards and heel pieces. On the back, we have the dual branding of Nike and Sacai. And then if we want to go down to the extended midsole, which obviously is classic for the Waffle itself, we do have all of the brand names here together, just in a plain kind of text font, which I believe they haven't really done on other models. This is something quite new. If we want to go even further down into the midsoles, which again, they're calling sail, I might argue with them here. It's saying it's like an EVA, I believe, kind of base on these until we get to this yellow outer sole, and again onto the yellow sole itself. This is very typical sole for a waffle, with these little kind of like square cube grip joints that then kind of poke out on the back and the front. So the inside soles themselves just follow the same branding that we actually had back here on the heel tab. We've got a bit more of this citron colour poking through. It's not all the way in there, but it's just a nice little peek through. And then yeah, just the Nike Sacai. You'll be able to take these out, but I really don't want to be able to, so I'm just going to zoom in here. This is a nylon base, so the toe box actually does feel really strange. It feels quite thin or flimsy almost. I feel like it's going to have great breathability. Durability though, I don't know. I've really never owned a pair of crepes like this. I'd be a bit scared that they're going to, like, I don't know, get ripped through or something. But you'd have to do a madness, I believe, to like something like that to happen. But yeah, it's just an odd shout that I want to give reference to. I normally give a gas rating, but recently in my last few videos I haven't been given a gas rating until I try them on, and I think that's kind of what I want to do, because I want to see how hard these laces are to put on for one, and I just really want to see if they fit. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that lacing is not my strong point. I haven't quite figured out what my strong point is, but when I figure it out, like, I will let you know. Actually, they're not that hard. People were saying it was a lot worse, but if you pull both through at the same time, like, the eyelets themselves are quite accommodating, so it's actually really not that hard to unlace. Before I give you a gas rating, I'm actually just gonna give you a little bit about the sizing. It's hard for me to really help people with sizing because my feet are so weird. I would say that these are true to size. A 4.5 was fine to me, but I feel like if I'd had gone up to a 5, they would have also fitted nice. I'm just a weird in between size in so many shoes, but yeah, I feel like true to size, most definitely. I wouldn't bother going half a size up, down, whatever. I think they'll fit bless. Gas rating, what do I want to give these? Because I was giving stingy ratings and people were complaining, and then I started upping my ratings, then people are like, no, you're gassing that too much. So I don't know what you want from me. But on the first initial gut instinct, I want to give him a solid 7. So that's what I'm going to give him. I also just realized on the sole, we have this US patent and it has all these numbers on, which I actually don't know what it means. So if you know what that means, yeah, drop me a comment below. They're nice. If you managed to get a pair or maybe a different pair of the colorway, then definitely let me know. I'm really glad that I actually got a pair, and I'm really glad that I didn't. There were some times in the other releases I thought, oh, should I just get a pair? Should I just see how they are? But I'm glad I held out and actually managed to get this pair because I feel like, you know, these were the ones for me. Thanks for checking in with me again today, guys, and opening up another pair of crepes with me. It's always love, always appreciate everyone who comes by and watches. I actually have so much stuff right now that needs to be edited, and right now I can even see like 3 boxes that still need to be opened at some point. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and you know, hit those notifications so that you don't miss out when I do drop videos. If you want to come chat to me, you're more than welcome to come do that over on IG. And if you just want, you know, you're here for the content, you're here for the unboxings or the fashion or whatever, you can also go follow me on TikTok, so I do stuff over there. But yeah, thanks for checking in. Until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I got makeup on my trousers. I like to do, oh shit, what, I don't know what I like to do, if I'm honest. I don't. But I don't know, the theme is, yeah, what is the theme? Nobody knows. We start off with a black, yeah, it's black. Why did that sound so weird? What's that word I'm looking for? Suede. Definitely feels more like I just forgot that word 2 seconds ago, and why can't I remember it? Suede, 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 like Patrick Swayze.